dear. Do you like solving mysteries? Then here is a mystery for you to solve. Watch the story unfold very carefully. I will ask for your help at the end of the story. Welcome to the 100 acres jungle. King Sheru, the wise and the brave lion, rules the jungle. He is well liked by all the other animals. Chatur, the clever fox, is the king's minister. But what is this? Something is wrong. King Sheru looks angry. All the other animals look worried too. There is a problem. Someone has eaten half of King Sheru's lunch. The king is hungry and angry too. Who could have done this? Chatur Fox, the king's minister, is going to find out who dared to steal the king's food. He is going to ask all the animals a few questions. The animals are scared and worried. They wonder who will get caught. What will the fox ask them? The fox first questions the deer. Were you the one who ate the king's lunch? The deer said,
Not me. I eat only grass.
Next, he questions the monkey. Did you do it, monkey? The monkey shook his head and said, No, not me. I only love bananas. The next in line is the cheetah. Even before he could be questioned, he shouted out,
No, never, not me. I like to eat leaves and not meat.
Okay, said the fox. The elephant did not wait to be questioned either. It trumpeted loudly. I love to eat sugarcane and bananas, not meat. The fox moved on to the rabbit. He gently asked, Did you do it, little rabbit? The little rabbit just shook his head. No, then what do you eat? The rabbit replied softly,
I like to nibble on carrots.
Uh-oh, the fox has finished questioning everyone and no one seems to have done anything wrong. The worried fox then asked the king, What shall we do, your majesty? King Sheru replied,
Let me think. The animals all silently waited for the king to reach a decision.
Suddenly, the king looked up and called the fox close to him. He then whispered something in his ear. Can you guess what the king and the fox are talking about? The animals all eagerly waited to find out what the fox and king were talking about. Suddenly, the fox excitedly said, Yes, your majesty, you're right. He turned to the animals and said, You there, come here. How dare you steal the king's food? You also lied to me. All the other animals turned to see who had stolen the king's food. Hope you have been listening to the story carefully. I have a question for you. Who do you think dared to steal the king's food? What lies did he tell the fox? Pair up with a partner and try to find the answer. Once you are ready, share your answers in class. Are you ready? Well, here's the answer to the mystery. The animal that stole the king's food was the cheetah. It is the only animal that is a carnivore and eats meat. All the other animals are herbivores and do not eat meat. Hence, the cheetah was the one lying. Let's see what punishment King Sheru has in mind for the cheetah.
Cheetah, you have committed 2 mistakes today. You not only ate a part of my food without permission, but you also lied about it. As punishment, you will have to bring me food every day for the next 1 month.
All the other animals agreed with their king. The cheetah deserved the punishment. The cheetah hung his head in shame. He was truly sorry. Hope you enjoyed solving the mystery. In this story, the fox and the king analyzed each suspect. They then rejected the animals that do not eat meat one by one. Finally, they were left with the odd one out, the cheetah. Have you ever used this odd one out method in your life? Let's try it out, shall we? Only one of these items is the odd one out. It belongs in the fridge. Which one is it? Why? It's the butter. Butter is the only item that will melt if it is kept outside.